I stand in faith with you, believing God to perform a miracle in your life.
This recording will help you to improve your money situation. And I want you to start by taking a nice deep breath in through the nose, filling your lungs with air. And then when those lungs are full, just exhale slowly, allowing all that tension to exhale from the body. And then take another nice deep breath in through the nose and release that once more, allowing the body just to become a little bit more relaxed than the previous exhalation. Breathing in once more and breathing out. And I'd like you to continue that process as I continue to speak with you. And I'd like to talk to you about money. And I'd like to give you some ideas about money that is going to change the way money interacts with you in your life. I'd like you to notice now how money comes to me more often than it used to. And I know that I deserve to experience my dreams. And I know I contribute to the world in a very good way. So it is only right that I share in the wealth. And there is a lot of wealth in the world. It is not as if people have no money. There is so much money in the world that it is no problem at all for me to experience and to have coming to me lots of money. People want to spend their money on me because my services are very good and I'm very, very good at what I do. Even if I spend my time just being myself, I still contribute to the world. Just me being me may be enough to contribute to the world in a good way that enables me to get money for what I'm doing. And if I have a job or a business, then I find it easier and easier to have money coming to me. And more money comes to me with every day that passes. And I notice more and more how I am becoming more and more effective with my services, with what I'm giving, with how I help people, with how I contribute to the whole world. And this enables a situation where people want to contribute to me. And I know that without this service that I provide, the world would not be as productive. This service would not be as productive. So I deserve to be well paid so that I can continue to contribute to this service, whatever it may be. And my bank balance goes up more and more every year. And I find that I am given more money, more offerings every year. I have lots of new money coming to me. The things I want to buy are now in my reach. I am enjoying going into the place I need to purchase them. and I am greeted with a smile, because they know that I have enough money for whatever it is I want to purchase. And it's really nice to wake up in the morning and recognize that I do have the funds, I do have the money to buy that thing that I want. I do have the money to help other people in need if I want. I do have the money to spread my wealth around to whoever I want to give it to, whoever I want to buy things for. Whatever I want to do and experience, I know that I have the money to do it. And the great thing is that when I get to enjoy these experiences from my purchases, that I get to share it with other people, and it becomes even more enjoyable. And that keeps the whole system going. So I know that it is very necessary for me to be an effective part of the money system. So people need to pay me as much as I need to pay for things. So there is absolutely nothing wrong with having money coming to me in large quantities. It's all about keeping the system going, and the more I receive, the more I can then share it out. And this is a very, very good thing. And I want to participate in this transaction constantly with large quantities so that I can help more and more people and enjoy lots and lots of different things. And I can build up more finances quickly if needed. I am well paid for what I do. I work smart, so the value I create is very profitable for me, even if I don't work 40 hours a week. My money works for me even when I sleep. My money comes to me in many different ways. It comes to me in ways that possibly I haven't even thought about. So it's very enjoyable to wake up in the morning and to discover new money coming to me, perhaps things I've even forgotten. But it's all part of the process. Money coming to me, allowing me to spend it in different ways and to help other people, sharing all my money around and enjoying it, because that's what it's all about. Enjoying, sharing, helping. It's all good. And it's really interesting to notice how the money flows so easily into my life now. I don't need to work too hard. I work just as much as my enthusiasm wants to work, and I work really well because of my enthusiasm, because of my intelligence, because of my understanding. I know what I need to do, and I do it effectively, not needing to pretend that I have to work like crazy every week just to make ends meet. This is not true. I only have to work as much as I want to work, and my money works for me, giving me more than enough so that I can use it, share it, help other people, and have complete freedom in my life to do what I want to do, to travel when I want to buy the things that I want, and to give things to who I want, to help out when I can, and live a very full life, helping and giving, receiving and sharing, and enjoying everything in between.
type Amen if you believe in miracles. Watch this important message right now.